Hi friends, welcome back. My name is Addie Gunnan of Well Left Clothing, and today we are styling some jumpsuits and two-pieces. I wore my favorite 70s jumpsuit in honor of all of the suited goodness that we're gonna do today, and I'm really inspired by how a jumpsuit can be a whole outfit, or you can add your own flair to it. So we're gonna flex our style muscles today and see what we can come up with. I'm really excited to do this video because they are such a fun piece to work with. I wear them pretty often, and I've been on a pretty solid jumpsuit kick recently. All of my outfits from the past week have basically been jumpsuits. Jumpsuits are also pretty easy to thrift. Most of the time they're in the men's section though, and they look more like coveralls. So I find a lot of times that I have to take them in a little bit or mess with them just a tad to make them actually fit me the right way. But they're so much fun to find in a thrift store, and there's so much potential for so many outfits with them. I'm taking 5 different jumpsuits or two pieces today and styling them up each in 2 different ways. So you'll get to see several different types of jumpsuits so that you have a lot of inspiration to pull from when you're styling your jumpsuit. I'll have a couple of tips along the way. So let's get suited up. Fun way to start this little jumpsuit journey. Your best friend with jumpsuits is going to be layering. So as you can see, I put something over it, I'm putting something under it, and you'll see much more layering in the pieces to come. So you're going to find pieces that go under things or over things, like you saw in this one and we'll see in the next few pieces. It's where you get to add a lot of different pattern and color to your outfit and make it visually interesting. This first one looks adorable with this gorgeous vintage blouse. So don't be afraid to layer your pieces. It just makes your outfit that much cuter and helps you express yourself a little more. So on to the next jumpsuit. Oh my goodness, how cute are these two outfits? For this denim one, my 2 tips were kind of keeping it a little more casual, but also bringing all of the drama. Denim jumpsuits are great to work with because they have a lot of room to just be really creative, because since they're textured and this one has very cute buttons down the front, it's very easy to style with prints and patterns and go a little crazy with it. Went with this amazing cheetah print shirt, and then I went with my adorable little boots. Not be afraid of the more plain jumpsuits because I think they have so much potential to just go a little more wild with them. This is a pretty docile outfit for me, but with the cheetah print and the silk, I just think it elevates the look so much. So elevate your look with some textures and patterns. Honestly, it doesn't take much to dress up a jumpsuit. Even just a simple sweater like I had with my little yellow sweater can elevate the look entirely. So on to the next jumpsuit. possibly be my favorite outfit that I will wear today. And I might wear it for the rest of the day. This is my favorite jumpsuit. It's a great brown and it's Dickies. I got this one from a Goodwill in the men's section. It's kind of huge. I took it in a good bit around the waist and it fits so cute now. For this one, I was being a little daring with putting something a little fancy underneath it and then wearing it with some high heels to make it more of an elegant look rather than just like sneakers and a hard shell with like a denim jacket sort of thing. So I went with this floral shirt because it still had some of the muted browny pinks that I thought would look really good with this brown. And I was correct, but then on top of that, throwing on this little purse added an extra combination of the colors. For this one, pick something feminine to balance out the masculine of the outfit. I think that's when fashion gets really interesting, when we marry those two together. So don't be afraid of mixing your feminine and masculine. On to the next jumpsuit. I love this one. Okay, so I don't know where that came from, but it came from a really good place. I love this little two-piece so much. Two-piece, not a jumpsuit, but I love to use this one as a jumpsuit because it's such a statement piece. The first outfit kind of had it standing on its own. I threw on a little scarf with it and a little crossbody bag and just some cute shoes because sometimes that's all you need with a jumpsuit. Just a couple accessories, but other times we like to go a little all out and put tank tops over things. Having some pattern over the top, pulling the same colors in is just too good. And since the pants were elastic waist, I threw a little belt over the top of it. I think it just turned out so good. So this is another one of my favorites. I keep saying that each one is my favorite. I think it's just because a jumpsuit is my favorite piece. So on to the next two-piece. What a fun one to end on. So my major thing for jumpsuits is prints and patterns. There is so much fun to be had with a jumpsuit that's patterned. They're such a statement piece. So this one was keeping it kind of monochromatic, but just going crazy with it and kind of making it wild. I actually bought this jacket and this two-piece together because of how good they look together. They're the exact same colors, but they're a different texture and print, which makes it really interesting to mix those two together. To add some color, I threw on this little turtleneck. So tip for this one, do not be afraid of mixing prints and patterns even when it's an all over pattern. It makes it that much more of a statement piece and it makes it that much more fun to wear. A little recap on my tips from today. Wear something under it or over it. Don't be afraid to wear a graphic tee and unzip the top. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and print and color. Add a little masculine to your feminine or feminine to your masculine and make your casual fancy. Whatever way you do it your way and make your statement. You beautiful creature, you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, let me know what you think, and then go follow me on Instagram. I have sales every Wednesday and new videos every Friday right here. You are well loved. I'll see you next week. Bye!